on the Pine Hills Trail adjacent to Shade State Park here in Indiana, West Indiana. Place called Devil's Backbone. Along this trail, it's supposed to be some beautiful scenery. Apparently some of the most unusual nature in Indiana. So far, nothing unusual besides us two lads. There are some big trees. It's a little brisk today in the 50s. I was upset earlier because I couldn't wear shorts and a t-shirt on May 2nd, but it's all good. I'm looking off to the sides of the trails by the tree roots to see if I can find any mushrooms, morel mushrooms, but we're gonna stay on trail today and just look off the trail. Well, this part is actually a nature preserve, so we're technically not allowed off the trail anyways. Bless you. I hear a squirrel. The lady at the post said that this hike was strenuous, but we have not gone over any incline yet. I don't know that it's actually going to be strenuous. Smile. Teeth.
Teeth. Teeth.
Teeth.
Teeth.
If we did find mushrooms though, we cannot pick them because this is a nature preserve. You have to leave it pretty much untouched. There are some slot canyons in this part of Indiana. I think we might be approaching some now. That's a pretty steep cliff.
R-K-E Y B A D K E O N E.
Yep, it spells turkey backbone. Kind of feels like we've been teleported into some new land all of a sudden. This is really cool. But we've walked past some dangerous spots for a kid. There are some steep drop-offs right off of the trail. So I'm gonna be holding his hand a lot. Ooh, this place is fascinating. I feel like I'm gonna see a fairy here in a minute. Yeah, never mind the amazing rock cliff ahead, my boy. We've got rocks. You just don't see stuff like this in Indiana very often. Wow. Yeah, some things always stay the same.
Wow.
Yep. We've got to practice going up little hills. big rock. This place is really cool. We're like a half hour away from Turkey Run State Park, which gets all the glory, but this place is just as beautiful and less crowded. That's a big rock. Well, let's see if we can get into anything else at Shade State Park, but this was the Devil's Backbone experience, and I know they've got some waterfalls and other things up here. So yeah, now we've got to climb like 300 steps. All right. Might have to stop this recording. Oh. Well, that was Pine Hill Nature Preserve, and that was super fun, super beautiful. Not a common sight in Indiana at all. Oh, there's a sheer cliff right to my right. We'll be coming back for sure, at least once this summer, if not more. It didn't take us that long. Well, he took a little fall, didn't you, bub? But cried for only about 30 seconds. I carried him up the rest of the stairs. Everything's good now. We're ready to walk some more. We'll be making more of these videos. Hiking content, family time. So, like and subscribe, please. You found a nice stick. Wow. Fun guy. Fun guy. Fun guys. Now we're hitting Trail 1 at Shade State Park. There's supposed to be a waterfall. You can see the river down there. Pretty far down there. It's a good mixture of pine and deciduous here. Pretty neat. This is Prospect Point, overlooking the Subscribe River. As much as I loved being in the ravine, that might have been the highlight. I hope the camera did it some kind of justice, but with your own eyes, it's really a spectacular view. This is an interesting tree. More stairs. You are walking up the stairs like a champ. Building those leg muscles, those quads. This tree is no joke, dude. This tree's pretty serious as well. The trees here seem a little bit taller and larger than the ones in eastern Indiana and central Indiana. Matter of fact, they seem taller than the ones at Brown County.
Walk.
Yeah, it's called a rock cliff.
Bag.
It's kind of treacherous, huh? Alright. Climbing over those rocks was not that easy with a 5-year-old.
Whoa. Whoa.
Some things never change. Come on, walk across.
Whoa.
We are in the thick of this canyon, man. Lesson learned. Just wear your hiking boots. I left mine in the car. I'm like, oh, I'll be fine in tennis shoes. No, I will not be fine in tennis shoes. We have walked through so much mud, and now my feet are soaked. But it's still no worries. So I'm pretty certain we're going to need to turn around because I did see the trail going back up, but I wanted to keep on exploring this canyon and gather in all this natural beauty. But I think we're both getting a little tired and we have some backtracking to do. We're going to keep on walking forward for just a minute longer and see if this leads up to anything. Then we'll turn around. Glad we didn't turn around because it does look like there's another trail up ahead to get us out of the canyon. This is a cool, cool place, man. Well, we stumbled upon another waterfall. So I think we actually got onto a different trail. course, I didn't bring my trail map with me. Real smart. Wish we could see the bottom of this waterfall. Yeah, me too. Bet those little legs are sore. Well, we're going home. Thanks for tuning in. This was Shades State Park and Pine Hills Nature Preserve. Thanks for tuning in. Till next time.
Bye-bye.